This is how to work with images in the Wacky Buttons Interactive Design Studio. Click on Insert Image. If you want to use your own image from your device, click on Browse. We will try this later on in the video. Here we can choose from pre-made clip art images. We can choose from the many topics to see what we have. Let's click here to see more. If we see something we want to add, clicking on it will add it to the design. We can scale the design by dragging these squares. If we hold down Alt and drag a square, it will scale from the center of the object. The top handle rotates the object. If we drag the transparency handle, the object fades in or out. So let's say we want an image that has a white background, but we want to remove it. So first, we want to change the background to a darker color. And then we're going to go back to Insert Image and Browse. Let's choose this object right here, fish. So this image has a white background that I want to remove. So we go down here to Remove White Space. And we can drag this up. And as we can see, we can get rid of the white. It also removed the white on his eyes and his teeth. So let's fix that really quick. We're going to choose Insert Shape. Let's make it a circle. Let's color it white. So I'm going to scale it down here. And I'm going to stretch out the side till it covers the area. I'm going to duplicate it by clicking this and then cover the teeth. So I'm going to select this object and go down a layer to go under the fish image, and this same one go down here. Now we have the white eyes and teeth but no background. Now let's load another photo in here to show the other options. So I just loaded a nice colorful photo in here. I'm going to hold down Alt and drag it to fill the whole button. Now with it selected, I can go down here. We can change that photo to grayscale. As you can see, it's completely grayed out. We can disable grayscale. This is sepia, so it makes it look like an old vintage photo. And then you can invert the colors on the photo by clicking this.